Inductive reasoning. Why did the girl wear glasses during math class? Because it improves division. Our standard is to make and investigate mathematical conjectures. Inductive reasoning is making conclusions based on patterns you observe. A conjecture is a conclusion you reach by inductive reasoning. A counterexample is an example that proves a statement is false. Pause the video at this time if you need more time to copy down the definitions. Example 1. Reasoning inductively. Use inductive reasoning. Make a conjecture about the next figure in the pattern, then draw the figure. What you're doing is trying to find the patterns. So we're going to make an observation here. The circles are rotating counterclockwise within the square. So the next figure will have a shaded circle at the upper right-hand corner. Pause the video at this time if you need more time to finish the notes. Writing rules for patterns. Now we're going to practice writing a rule for each number pattern. Look at number 2A. We have 0, -4, -8, -12. So the pattern or the rule is going to be we start at 0 and subtract 4 repeatedly. For part B, it's 4, -4, 4, -4. Alternate 4 and its opposite. For part C, 1, 2, 4, 8, 10. We start with 1, then we alternate multiplying by 2 and adding 2. Pause the video at this time if you need more time to finish the notes. For example 3, we're going to be extending a pattern. Write a rule for the number pattern 110, 100, 90, 80. Then find the next two numbers in the pattern. So if we look at this pattern, we see that it's decreasing by 10. So the rule is start with 110 and subtract 10 repeatedly. The next two numbers in the pattern are 80 minus 10, which is 70, and then 70 minus 10, which is 60. Pause the video at this time if you need more time to finish this example. Don't forget to record any questions you have. Now we're ready for example 4, analyzing conjectures. Is the conjecture correct or incorrect? If it is incorrect, give a counterexample. Every triangle has 3 sides of equal length. The conjecture is incorrect because the figure at the right is a right triangle, but all the sides are not of equal length. Pause the video at this time if you need more time to finish this example. Don't forget to record any questions you have. Now I want you to try some quick check problems on your own. Let's just have you try 1 through 3. Pause the video, try them, then start the video to see how you did. The number of sides of the shape in the circle is increasing by 1 each time. So the next shape would be a hexagon in the circle. The rule for the pattern of 4, 9, 14, and 19 is start at 4 and add 5 each time. The rule for the pattern 1, 3, 5, 7 is start at 1 and add 2 each time. The next two numbers will be 9 and 11. Pause the video at this time if you need more time to finish this example. Now try problem number 4 on your own, all 3 steps. When you're finished, continue with the video. Pause it right now to do problem number 4. Number 4, is each conjecture correct or incorrect? If it's incorrect, give a counterexample. A, the last digit of the product of 5 and a whole number is either 0 or 5. That conjecture is correct. B. A number and its absolute value are always opposites. That is not correct. A counterexample of that would be 5 and the absolute value of 5. Those are not opposites because the absolute value of 5 is 5. 5 and 5 are not opposites. And finally, C. The next figure in the pattern is 25 dots. That is correct because it would be a 5 by 5 matrix, so 5 across and 5 up, which would give you 25 dots. This concludes today's lesson. Pause the video if you need more time to copy anything down, and don't forget, you have to have a question for class tomorrow. Don't forget your glasses!